Hey there, homeowners! Ready to keep your R-32 AC and gas furnace running smoothly all year? I've got you covered with a comprehensive maintenance guide that'll save you money and keep your home comfortable. Let's dive right in. First up, seasonal maintenance. As we gear up for the cooling season, spring and summer, make sure to inspect and clean the outdoor condenser unit. Get rid of all that dirt and debris. Check your refrigerant levels for efficient cooling, and don't forget to replace those air filters, clean evaporator coils, and test the thermostat settings to ensure everything's working perfectly. For a full guide, check out Trane's Cooling System Prep Guide. Now, as we move into fall and winter, it's time to prepare for the heating season. Inspect those furnace burners and the heat exchanger for proper combustion. Test your carbon monoxide detector to ensure your gas furnace is operating safely. Clear any blockages in the flue and exhaust system, and don't forget to lubricate the blower motor bearings. Calibrate the thermostat to optimize heating efficiency. For more details, Goodman's Gas Furnace Inspection Guide is a great resource. Let's talk routine maintenance tasks. Monthly, you should replace or clean the air filters to keep the airflow steady. Make sure air vents and registers are unobstructed, and check the outdoor unit for debris buildup. For more on this, see Energy Star's Guide to Changing HVAC Filters. Quarterly, it's crucial to check refrigerant levels using a digital gauge, inspect electrical connections, and examine drain lines to prevent clogs. The EPA's Refrigerant Handling Guide has all the info you need. And don't forget about an annual professional HVAC tune-up. This includes a full system performance test, checking for gas leaks, cleaning the blower assembly, and inspecting and lubricating moving parts. To find a certified technician, head over to the NATE Certified HVAC Professionals directory. Now, troubleshooting common issues can save you from potential headaches. If your AC isn't cooling properly, it might be dirty filters, low refrigerant levels, or blocked condenser coils. For solutions, Dakin's Troubleshooting Guide for R-32 AC systems is your best friend. If your furnace isn't heating efficiently, look at clogged burners, a faulty igniter, or dirty air filters. Carrier's Furnace Repair Guide offers great troubleshooting tips. Strange noises from your HVAC system could be loose ductwork, worn blower motor bearings, or refrigerant leaks. Tighten loose components, lubricate the motor, and check for leaks. More on this in Trane's Guide to Noisy AC Units. Preventing costly repairs is all about regular inspections. Preventative maintenance can reduce repair costs by up to 50%. Early detection of issues like refrigerant leaks or ignition problems can save you from system failure. Lennox's Guide to Extending HVAC Life has more insights. When should you consider HVAC replacement? If your furnace is over 15 years old or your AC over 10 years old and frequently breaking down, it might be time for an upgrade. Newer R-32 AC units offer 15 to 20% better energy savings. Trane's HVAC Upgrade Guide can help you compare costs. Finally, let's talk costs. An annual tune-up costs about $100 to $250, but can prevent costly breakdowns. Replacing air filters costs $10 to $50 and can lower your energy bills by 10 to 15%. Sealing ductwork and installing a smart thermostat also provide significant savings. DSIR energy efficiency rebates can help you find local maintenance plans. So there you have it. Routine maintenance is key to keeping your R-32 AC and gas furnace system efficient, cost-effective, and reliable. Follow this guide and you'll enjoy year-round comfort without the unexpected hiccups. For high-efficiency HVAC systems, check out the Furnace Outlet's R-32 HVAC collection. Thanks for watching, and happy home maintaining.